Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to quote another message in Slack so your replies stay clear and organized. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser, go to the Slack website, and log into your workspace with your account details. Make sure you're inside the correct workspace. Step 2. Find the message you want to quote in a channel or direct chat and check the text carefully. This ensures you quote the right content. Step 3. Highlight the message text with your mouse and copy it using Ctrl+C or right-click and choose Copy. This keeps the original wording. Step 4. Open the channel or chat where you want to share the quote and place it in the proper conversation. This keeps context correct. Step 5. Click the message input field at the bottom so your cursor is active and ready. You'll format the quote here. Step 6. Type the greater than symbol followed by a space, then paste the copied text using Ctrl+V or right-click and paste. This turns the text into a quote. Step 7. Click Send to post the quoted message and display it in quote format. Your message will appear neatly indented. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.